Alright, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing a slow blues guitar solo tutorial. We're going to be in the B blues today, so let's get right to it. Today we're going to put a couple phrases in our blues to just make it come alive, so let's get right to it. Alright, we're going to be in the B blues today. B7, E7 or E9. Back to the B. The 5 chord is F sharp 9, E9. Love that sound. Just a simple phrase starting out with the major pentatonic. And I'm still thinking of the framework of the B minor pentatonic. But more than that is the blues scale, the B blues. So that just makes the pentatonic scale come alive for me, is just adding those couple notes in there. Let's just get back to that opening phrase. Then once it transitions into the E9, we need to add that E note, at least briefly add the E note in there. So I just used a simple phrase. This is definitely a ZZ Top thing. Billy Gibbons does this in several of his well-known solos. Just walking right down. It's just the B minor pentatonic, but just not even walking down, but just raking them down. I like to do the 2 strings up and then hit the 3rd note down. So I'm ready to do some other licks. Just walking right down the pentatonic scale. Then once it goes to this 5 chord, the F sharp 9, a piece of the chord there. I think I did something like, then it goes back to the E. Do a lot of different things, but if you just hit that E note briefly, it just has that the chord tone come alive in there. And always walking down to that 3rd of the chord in the blues sounds awesome. You can do that with the E9 also. Just a piece of the just sliding up a piece of the E9. You don't even, and you can just do this right by yourself if you target the chord. And you really, it's so good to practice that way. This is such a good learning tool to play the chord and play some notes and some licks that surround that chord. So all the licks I'm doing right here in the octave up, they sound different, and you play off of how that sounds, you play it differently. B minor pentatonic sounds great in itself over this progression, but if you target those few chord tones, it has a sense of where it's going, and even people listening, it just makes your solo come alive. There's a B chord right there. You guys have asked about this too before. I do a lot of hybrid picking, and you think of country players doing that, but a lot of blues guys do use this, and I just use it sparingly, but I pick up and pick down at the same time all the time. And this lick sounds awesome like that. Just barring right here. All right, that's all I got for you today. It was a blast hanging out with you. And this stuff is so fun for me to teach because I just love playing the guitar. I am so blessed to be able to play what I can play. I'm limited like a lot of you are, but Just get a little better every day, and we will see you on the next one.